Okay, part two. We're going to tighten everything up and re-inflate the tyre and should be back in business.
Metric spanners are right on an American bike, mate?
What's that?
Metric spanners are right on an American bike?
Oh, well, I think, you know, we'll get away with it. better than my 40-year-old multi-tool, which would just burr the thing. And also I've got to tighten those, don't I? So I need to get...
once I've tightened these you can.
Oh, right, yeah, because that beds it in place, yeah?
Yeah.
What was that?
Your alarm.
My alarm. It's obviously moving. Okay. Novice rule number 2, turn off the alarm.
You use multi grips on that too?
No, I didn't. I used some that fitted. Now I wondered about those, so they just clamp up to snug, I presume.
Yeah.
I often wonder if some of those things, do they have to go on a torque wrench and all that sort of carry on, but clearly it was just snug.
I am.
Yeah.
I am doing a torque wrench.
Yeah, there's a torque wrench.
This is 16 Newton meters of pressure, by the way.
Yeah, and I think the guns, you can see he's got the better torque wrench, so it's obvious who's going to be doing this.
The torque's in here. That one's alright.
That's good.
Right. We'll nip that one up a bit more now.
And then I've just got those spacers, which are here, and from memory, I've got to put my little, very important to put my US flag here. It's all about the bling, yeah? Not really, but it's calmer now. I've got to put the right one on.
There's about 28 Newton meters on the nut.
Excellent. So this is all, we're speaking Chinese now from my perspective. I don't know these things.
Now, Guy,
Next one.
what's the most important thing to do now?
Well, I presume inflate it.
Yeah, but after that, this is a young trap for young players. That's all. After you do
The brakes?
Yep.
Yep.
Pump the brakes up.
Pump the brakes up. Right. Now should I give it a spin now and just...
Yeah, no, just go like that until your brake comes
yeah?
hard again.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're right. It's got nothing coming up.
There you go.
Wow.
Normally you come into a T intersection at 100 k's an hour.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Saved my life. See, novice again, you're learning heaps. If you're like me out there on YouTube world, we're learning heaps. Because I would not have thought to do that. No, yeah, I would have carried up on the first corner and then there I go. So, yeah, kind of a little bit more important than inflating the tyre at this stage. Okay, it's some more bling. It's all about the jewellery. I've got to put these on, which I think from memory is an Allen key. I'm just going to snug those up. Alright. And I think it was... Oh, there you go, next one down. Now, that goes on like that. Oh yeah, that snugs up. That's tight.
It's alright, we've got something in common anyway, Guy.
What's that?
I've got an American truck.
Oh, well, you have to.
I've got the F250.
You got the beast.
From America, so
That's what would have been towing me out of here. If it had been...
So we've both got something from the Yankee land.
Donald Trump, keep making American.
Yep. Yeah, well, our government looked after our car industry, our holding on Ford. They'll still be here too.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Yeah, we're obsessed with importing.
why'd you put the cap back on?
Eh?
Why'd you put your little helmet cap on?
Why did I? Oh, that. Good luck. Even though it went flat.
No, because we've still got to pump it up.
Oh, yeah.
Give it a bit of air. I'll let you check it. We didn't take that much out, did we?
Handy tool number 2, tyre gauge. So that's given me 20, so we need a bit more, just under 30. So one thing I did realise yesterday is I had too much pressure in there. It mightn't have helped the perishing tube.
It was going to go anyway.
I better go here, caravan park in the middle of nowhere. Good. good is that?
Oh,
40, so we'll bring that back a bit.
perfect.
That's good. That'll be on the high side and bring it back.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, check that. Put a bit more. 35, too much, 40. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll come back a little bit. Oh, that wasn't right. That's right, 35, 6, 7, just over, 1 tab, perfect. Perfect.
You won't get another one for the rest of the trip now?
No, but I will buy another tube. So there you have it, YouTube. Some things about changing a front tyre on a Harley Davidson 2006 Softail Deluxe. Definitely need the help of people that know what they're doing. It's been a great experience to learn. I've learned a lot out of that today, and I'm back on the road. So thumbs up if you like what you've seen, hit subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Signing off from Peter.
Peter, I would have been
glad to help Guy out.
And there's a beer in it. More than one. Thank you.
But we'll get it back on the stand first so
we'll do that.
we don't topple over.